we have to be conscious of valuations. We have to be conscious of the kind of weight we assign to the stocks in our portfolio. We also have to be conscious of the time that we hold the stock for it to mature as a wealth creating opportunity. So these are essential things that an investor should focus on, in addition to stock selection, which we have discussed earlier also many times. Thank you. Have a great festive season.
Hi there, this is Saurabh Mukherjee from Marcellus Investment Managers. Over the years, my colleagues and I have realized that successful investing is less about knowing P multiples. It's more about being in a calm, collected frame of mind, being in a safe place emotionally, being in a secure place emotionally, because from there you can make rational, you can make successful investment decisions. And it's in that context that festive seasons and festivities are actually enormously important. You get the comfort, the confidence, the security of knowing that your friends and family and your community is with you. And in that context, I hope that all of you have a great Navratri. You have some delightful company, some enjoyable festivities, and you recharge your batteries. We all need that given the challenges we faced in the last 6-7 months.
Festival season denotes victory of good over evil, light over darkness. In investments world, quality wins over non-quality. Governance wins over misgovernance. I pray that all the viewers of CNBC TV 18 fill their portfolio with quality and governance in this festive season so that they can compound their wealth over a long period of time.
I firstly would like to wish all the viewers of CNBC TV 18 a very happy Navratri, Dussehra and Diwali. I hope this upcoming festival season brings you a lot of cheer. Now, one of the important lessons of this pandemic and this market sell-off and recovery this year has been the importance of emotional investing, in my view. I think when you invest in the stock markets, it's very important to keep your calm and not get carried away by emotions. But I would say just be careful, keep a check on your emotions, don't get carried away. For retail investors, generally, we would always recommend invest through professional money managers like mutual funds. Or otherwise, if you do investing directly, then do your research thoroughly and make sure you watch out for companies which have a good business, strong management, but the long-term earnings growth prospects are very solid. Those businesses tend to do very well in the long term, and any market downturns are actually buying opportunities.
So cutting losses is very, very crucial. And second is the patience of riding your winners, because there is a need to be patient. People do get into the desire to be the fastest runner every day, every week, every month. And that is why I feel that you should approach this market not as a 100-meter sprinter, but like a marathon runner. And in this philosophy or thought process, the whole visualization of being a marathon runner and a long-term wealth creator is ultimately what has gone on to win in this market, has remained with me. And that's my big learning for the markets for the years that I've spent here. Thank you.
A very happy Dussehra and Diwali season to all the viewers of CNBC. A very short investment lesson I would love to share with you is that buying good companies going through bad time is always a long-term great investment opportunity. Good companies eventually figure out how to bounce back, how to address the challenges, and therefore a correction in the stock price should always be used to make these long-term investments. Happy trading and wish you a very profitable new Samvat ahead.